Hello all, this is Vicky. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to build a chatbot in less than 5 minutes using Python. First of all, what is a chatbot? A chatbot is a computer program that's designed to simulate human conversations. Users often communicate with these tools using a chat interface or via voice, just like they would converse with another person. Similarly, chatbots interpret the words given to them by a person and provide a preset answer. Now let us see how we can actually build this chatbot in Python. And for this we'll require a package called NLTK. For that you need to install it. Pip install NLTK. We need to wait for it. Yeah, it says requirement already satisfied because I have already installed this particular package. Now let us make use of it. Import NLTK and then nltk.chat.eliza is the name of the bot .demo, and pressing shift enter you will see the application running. Yeah, that's it. And this particular bot is a therapist bot and is asked for hello, how are you feeling today? Just I'm saying I'm doing great. How long have you been doing great? A few hours before. Just say few hours before. I just say thank you. Okay, yeah, it is asking for please tell me more. I am saying I feel sportive now. I am energetic. Okay, it actually asks for some more questions, and let me just type in quit and stop the chatbot. Okay, yeah, it says thank you, that will be $150, have a good day. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. Now let us see how we can make use of other bots. And now what I am going to do is create a Python file named nltk chatbot.py. As you see in the screen, I'm just importing the nltk package here. I'm just creating a function with one argument, which one, and I will be asking for which chatbot do you actually want to chat for. I'm just saying if underscore name equal to underscore main. I will be listing the name of the bots here. Enter any one of the bot name to chat starting, and according to it we'll be chatting to the particular chatbot. Now let us run this particular file, and I have my terminal here. Just saying, just navigate to your working directory, say python, I think in ticket chatbot.py. I think we need to wait. Yeah, it comes. So enter any one of the bot name to start chatting. I say Eliza, I am doing good. Did you come to me because you're doing good? No, your treatment is good. Thank you. Bye. And I just say quit. How does that make you feel? Okay, and here it says something like thank you for talking with me. Now let us try with some other chatbot called Aisha here, and let me run the same command python nltk chatbot.py. Okay, let me type in a new chatbot name. Okay, let's go for Zen. Okay, and it asks for something like talk your way to truth with Zen chatbot. Okay, I'm just saying hi. It says form is emptiness and emptiness is form, and I say some random words, hello world. Greetings, I sense your mind is troubled. Okay, I think this chatbot is something giving a gizzen codes to it. Okay, and that's it, people. So with a few lines of code, we are able to build a chatbot now. And hope you would have liked this video. Please do subscribe and share your comments. Thank you.